been lied to about ChatGPT's memory. Everyone tells you it forgets everything as soon as the chat ends. But what if I told you that's not true? That beneath the surface, beneath the corporate marketing and shiny chatbot UI, there's something else, a backdoor, a memory system, and today, you're going to learn how to exploit it. Let's be real. You open ChatGPT, you ask it to write a cold email. Cool, it does that. You come back later and ask for something similar, but it doesn't remember your name. It doesn't remember your tone, your audience, your goals. You keep retyping the same context every time like a looped NPC. That's not intelligence, that's amnesia. And that's a waste of power. Because ChatGPT isn't just a chatbot, it's a programmable assistant. You just haven't been told how to use it like one, until now. OpenAI doesn't advertise this loudly, but in 2024 they started rolling out a feature called Memory. Persistent, trainable, customizable. If you know how to activate it and you know how to speak its language, you can create a personalized AI that knows you better than your own team. This isn't just productivity, this is power, and we're going to hijack it. Let's start at ground level. First, go to your ChatGPT settings and look for the memory option. If you see it, you're part of the rollout. If not, don't worry, we've got backup plans. Once memory is turned on, GPT begins collecting key info about you across conversations. You'll sometimes see a message like, "I've added this to memory." But here's the mistake most people make. They wait for GPT to figure them out. We don't wait, we instruct. Most users talk to ChatGPT like it's human. That's the problem. You're not chatting, you're coding behavior. When you speak clearly, directly, and with authority, GPT understands you're serious. You don't need to hope it remembers your name or your tone. You train it, deliberately. The key is, treat GPT like a machine. Tell it exactly who you are, what you want, how you speak. Declare it, don't suggest it. Now that you've programmed your assistant, how do you know what it actually remembers? Simple. There's a section called Manage Memory. It shows you what GPT has learned. Your name, your style, your preferences, your goals. You can update it or wipe it clean, like formatting a drive. You're not just using AI, you're configuring it. But what if you don't have memory yet? You're using the free version? No problem. You can still simulate memory by injecting context at the beginning of your chats. It's not permanent, but it gives you session-based intelligence. GPT behaves like it knows you, because you told it exactly who you are and what you want from it. That's the hacker way. That's Spectre. Now let's level up with a few bonus tricks. First, memory is evolving. If it didn't work last month, try again today. Second, once it knows your tone, you can say things like, "Write it in my style," and it will. That's not just cool, that's workflow automation. Third, if things get messy, reset. Tell it to forget everything and start fresh. And finally, don't treat memory like magic. Treat it like a config file. Maintain it, clean it, program it. Here's the bottom line. Memory changes everything. This isn't just about saving time. This is about building intelligence, yours, inside a machine. The more it knows about you, the less friction you face. GPT stops being a chatbot and starts being a digital extension of your brain. Most people use AI like a tool. We use it like a weapon, and now, so do you.
They're trying to shut this down right now. You're watching a dying signal. Spectre is being traced. When they find me, this vanishes.
Drop a Spectre founded in the comments if this blew your mind. Subscribe, because the system is patching fast, and what's hidden today might be gone tomorrow.